Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204 Lab 3 Exercise 1, and in Exercise 3 we are going to create Azure resources. Okay, so let's go to the instruction portal. Okay, so here is Exercise 1. It says create Azure resources. You can find the URL in the video description. Exercise 1, create Azure resources. Task 1, open the Azure portal. Okay, so I'll simply open this particular URL in the new tab. Okay, so I'm already here. That's nice. So task 1 is just to open and login Azure portal. So we are good there. Task 2 is to create a storage account. Okay, we need to go to storage account, add basics. Okay, so here we need to go and create a storage account. So what I will do is either I can directly go and create a storage account from here also. You see here we have options. So we'll just simply click here, create a storage account, and here you can see we have so many tabs here. So the very first one is basics tab. Create a storage account, and let's go to the basics tab. Here on the basics tab, we need to fill all the details as mentioned here. Subscription, you can leave as is. Resource group, we need to create a new resource group named storage media. Storage account name, media storage, and then your name. Location East US, performance standard. Account kind storage v2. Read access is RAGRS, and access tier hot. Okay, let's go and follow me here. Resource group, we need to create one. So I'll just simply put this one, managed storage media. And storage account name, I'll just go back and copy from here. It says storage media and your name, so I'll just put okayazure. Location East US, performance standard. Account kind storage v2, and replication RAGRS. Perfect. Access tier hot. Very good. Let's go click on next, 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 and here is our review tab. So it's a really good idea to go and review all the options whatever you have opted, because you will be charged depending on your selection. Now let's go and click on create. So now you can see here your deployment is underway. So we are here. Now next thing is in the Azure portal navigation panel, select all services, then select storage account blade, select the account storage account, the one we just created. Then we need to go to settings and then properties, and then in the properties section record the value of the primary blob service endpoint. Okay, so we need to fetch the service endpoint. So okay, now you can see your deployment is complete. It means now our storage account is ready. So I'll close from here. I'll go to resource group. So here you will see storage media, the new one, and here we'll have our storage account. It's here, media store, and then okayazure. Okay, now we need to go to properties link, and then we need to copy the value of primary blob service endpoint. So here settings, then properties, and then primary blob service endpoint, this one. So we need to copy this one. So I'll click here and I'll keep this value in my notepad. Okay, I'll just name it endpoint. Okay, let's go back to the instruction. So we are done and clear. Now still on the storage account blade, find the settings section, then select the access keys link. Okay, in the access keys section, record the value of storage account name text box. Record the value in the storage account name text box and select any one of the keys, and then record the value in either of the key box. Okay, so now we need to go to the access keys section. So under settings, here's access keys. We need to record two things. One is record the value in the storage account name. Account name is this one, so I'll copy. Again, I'll paste in my notepad. Storage account name, and we also need to copy any one of the keys. So I'll just copy the first one. Okay, and I'll paste here key1 and I'll paste it here. Okay, now let's go back. So here we are done with the exercise 1. Okay, so we'll work on the exercise 2 in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.